Hello, now it is the third live stream of my Android app development, and so let's begin. Till now, I have a splash screen and I have YouTube and Facebook. This is the home screen where my app data is going to show which app is used for how much hours, and let's continue further. And we have a screen, splash screen, navigation components. By the way, navigation is the theme. We have many composables here, and the next thing that I want to add is the setting so that we can have usage Android name app permission package usage stat. I'm not sure about why this error is here, but I guess we cannot use this for any of our Android applications. Permission is only granted to system apps. I need to take help of ChatGPT. Then we have GPT. The issue that I am having is permission is only granted to system apps packages. Added AP23 public static final string allow an application to collect component system to claim your permission. Limitation to API user. Okay, we are not having an issue while compiling the code, but it's only बढ़िया भाई बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया. Application data like Facebook, YouTube, and any other Android application based on their usage. See which app we used, how long they were used, last time opened. Okay, notification data, no, that's not what we need. We only need the usage data. This variant. Well, intent, action usage, access screen, context activity, intent. Where do we put this if we have not allowed the permission? Fetch usage data. Usage access. Check if granted. Fetch usage data. Com facebook.katana katana .google.com Instagram Android. A social app. These are the social apps. Okay. Where do we put this code? Home screen.kt. We have screen home screen.kt. Do we have home screen code? It will have home screen. Okay, we have a composable home screen. We need to separate it. Kotlin class home screen. Our screen. Yes, we need a Kotlin file, not class. Home screen. It already exists. I just delete it. So I'm going to add file again. It will be home screen. It will be home screen.kt. That's okay. Class home screen. Empty for now, and then we have okay, changes into class only if it is composable. 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 Take composable. Fn home screen. One home screen. Now we can just copy paste. Here this home screen code. Remove this. Splash screen. Your splash screen. Your splash screen class, but it's working. Conflicting overload. Let's just remove the class. We have home screen for now. Composable. Okay. You can remove this also. We don't need it. Now in main activity, we need to import home screen, soup index section, import home screen. Now let's rebuild. Nice, nice, nice. Now in the home screen, we need a function to first of all, we need intent, where intent is never used, no problem. Setting dot action usage access setting. Yep. Second extraction. Something's wrong. We have val intent. And then we have setting action. Not right. Unresolved reference action usage setting. Where is setting? No. Not this. So context action import. It's white classic card. So composable. We have lazy column intent, but we don't have this setting thing. Font variation. It's for font variation. No. Not this thing. So context action. I will do this later then. We have val intent null and context dot start activity. As usage access. Inside home screen, if we have a function called what is that? Context local context dot current. Navigation, main screen. We need to go to the setting page. We also need a setting page. Okay. Settings. We have setting screen here. Now the function has access to settings. We're going to have this context. Next setting, I want to click setting. I want to permission. And then when I click on this button below the permission, then we do the setting here permission. Setting screen. Yeah, yes. Here's what we need. If has permission. Let's go. Where has permission equal to false. For now, let's give it false. Permission. App usage. Let's just keep it simple. We're going to use has permission, if has permission, and else. It will be screen text. Else. We are going to give up. User access permission required. We don't need a box. Text equal to usage start permission not granted, and then we have okay, we need a permission. Got it. So we have a space, modify height. Yes. We have this. If has permission false, if has permission else false, then this. Text permission granted. We have space. Now we need another text. No, we need a text. A simple text that will tell us that we need to grant permission. Grant permission into settings. We check app usage. And then we have font size. equal to, it will be 15.sp. That much is enough. And then next, I guess this much is okay. Yeah, we can keep it aligned. It's okay. Alignment center. Now let's recompile. I guess there's some issue on resolve reference. Okay. It's imported. Time to recompile. Setting screen. Okay, text is overlapping. We did some issue. We have issue. It's false. It's overlapping. No. Let's try without alignment. And we have okay, let's try column. You're going to use column text. Modify fill max size, and then we have vertical alignment, vertical arrangement, and horizontal alignment. Vertical arrangement and horizontal. Let's try. Okay, it's working. It's working good. Now I can try some padding too. Padding like 10.dp. Restarting. Much better. Let's make it 22 sp and 15 sp is good. And maybe this much is okay. And below this, we need a button. A button to take us to this setting. On click, we have modify padding. We have text, grant permission. It does nothing for now. Does nothing. App usage. I guess we can keep the content on left side. The horizontal alignment. Is the left. Alignment dot horizontal top bottom and start. We need it at start. Oh, that's much better. By clicking on click, we need to go to the settings, has permission to. Okay, we can do this, has permission true. If we do it, will it work? Will it work? Nothing changes because the UI is not updating. Boolean, look at okay, no issue. In nation and local context dot current. Okay, we need the current context. Oh, val context local context dot current. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. And after that has permission by remember. Okay, it should be state that can be remembered as remember. 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 Mutable state of has usage access. Let's keep it has usage access, and that will be context, not local context, context. So here we have a context variable. We have has permission by remember. Show context of. Cannot refer with the type of this parameter. Parameter is explicitly permission by remember mutable. As usage permission, we have context and screen recompose launch effect. As permission, we have a box text area. Can pack free. We have column which will tell us to grant permission, and this submission with the remembrance is all reference remember. Code function remember. Now we can have mutable state of has usage stats permission, which will be context. For now we don't have this. What type of argument T? As usage context. Has permission by remember, that's okay. Mutable state of has usage access context. What is wrong? splash screen. We have this is not working right now. Hmm. Not in information on the type argument T cannot end times value in this parameter value. This type of parameter function T immutable state of value T value T. Values calculated once as permission apps open permission. You click go to setting, you enable permission, come back to app. Has permission, remember everything. Has usage access to it all. Has permission by variable state false. That looks much better. If I just do it false, as permission is false for now. And supposed to be a effective life cycle. It is a much complicated code for now. No. One click. We will have val intent and settings dot action stat access setting. That's okay. Intent. We can take action. Code. Setting base boost, setting an equalizer, setting Android provider. Yes, it's okay. Now let's just try if it works. After restarting the app, I just need to go to the setting, grant permission. Okay, app usage data. Apex app control not allowed. App usage data. We are going to allow this. Okay, grant permission. It's taking us to the page, to the setting page. As usage access. Text. Compose runtime. You can also have UI. No, it's okay. Condition layout. can remove these two. Let's take 2, 3, on how the turn on this no open setting user enable permission, but we don't know it. We need to come back to the app. When we click back, we need to come back and lifecycle owner. There is this new code that I need to understand, the lifecycle owner. I'm going to show it on screen now. This is the code, lifecycle owner. Why do we use it? Lifecycle of current screen. Activity or neighborhood destination. Okay. Even Android screen goes through state on create, start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on destroy. Declarative. When user came back, goes to setting and permission, come back. Compose does not automatically refresh. That's why we use lifecycle. Okay. So we have lifecycle owner. That's lifecycle, local lifecycle owner. We need to have this where it will be as no. It will be life. It will be well. Okay. Well, life cycle owner will do local life cycle owner dot current local life cycle owner, also context action. Now the second thing that we need is this part, local life cycle owner. Let's just use star. Disposable effect. Now what is this disposable effect? Well, observer lifecycle event observer event. So it came back to app. Now this will run when composable. Disposable effect. Trying to understand what is disposable. Well, so essentially, which provide widget compose that allows you to perform side effect function that need to be cleaned up when the composable leave the composition. You can use keys to control when the callback function is called. Launch effect. Also, this launch effect thing. Local lifecycle owner. Launch effect. Composable function used to run asynchronous side effects such as network call animation launch effect. Launched effect safely within the composition lifecycle. Automatic launch. Coroutine. When the composable first enter the composition is cancelled if the launch effect leaves the composition. Oh, that's good. Element is removed. Key based tree starting. It takes more keys. Common use one time operation. Not be true to trigger an action only once when a screen first loads, such as showing a snack bar or fetching initial data. Snack bar. What is this? Snack bar in Android. Feedback about the operation at the bottom of the screen. Okay. State trigger a new task when a specific state changes. Example, refetching user detail when a user ID changes. Is it more like async await in JavaScript for parallel work? The synchronous launch effect is more like a managed lifecycle hook similar to React. Okay, launched effect, use effect is a mechanism for sequential or parallel execution within that hook. Hmm. In use effect, we have a parameter on which it depends when do we need to use that effect. And we have parallelism that runs its block sequentially. If you call two suspended one launch effect to do the true parallel work, you must Kotlin a sync builder inside launch effect. Okay, let's leave it. Then disposable. Then what is disposable effect? Is for starting a synchronous task side effect that requires a cleanup when they are no longer needed. Okay. Imperatives attempt to tear down, like adding and removing a listener rather than running coroutines. Lifecycle observer, listener podcast. Lifecycle owner. We have a lifecycle owner, a local lifecycle owner dot current. We can have disposable effect and val observe. Disposable effect Android docs. Student effect use case as covered. No. Launched effect runs suspended function in scope of composable work and have the ability to call suspended function. Use the launched effect. What exactly are suspended function? Suspended function in Kotlin. I guess it's a Kotlin specific. What is suspended function? Is a function that marked suspended modified that can without blocking the current thread. This allows it to perform other tasks long run like network call, non-blocking. Okay, when occupied, saves exist back to bool until it is will be called from another suspended function from within a coroutine builder. Like, that makes sense. A sync suspended function was coroutine. Okay, now it makes sense. There's a launch effect, and we have remember coroutine scope. No. Remember update state. No. Disposable effect. For side effect that need to be cleaned up after the key change, or if the composer will leave the composition. If the disposable key change, they need to be disposed. Done the cleanup for its current effect set by calling the filter here. You might want to send analytical lifecycle by using lifecycle observer. Visible home screen. The code above. Life cycle on start, on stop. On start. Disposal effect. If the life cycle owner changes the disposal or restart the effect. Disposal effect. Well, creating an observer that triggers our remembered callback for sending analytical event. Observer underscore event. Single event on start. I don't understand this code right now. Let's just keep it simple. Life. Yeah, we need a life cycle observer. Yeah, that's okay. We need it. We also need a disposable effect. A disposable effect. It will be the life cycle owner, and what was the same thing? It will be the val observer. We need an observer. In depth. We need observer, then we also need a on dispose below this. Let's just keep it null for a minute. On dispose is the basic syntax. We need an observer. There is this on dispose function. These are the two basic things. Remove observer. We are going to remove observer. Why? Menus come back from setting update UI. Yes. Problem. Automatically knows app lifecycle changes. Yes, that's correct. Solution: manually observe lifecycle plus update state. Run some code when composable at. clean it when it leaves. Set of work, cleanup work. Okay, let's just call set of work for my clarity. And the cleanup work, creating observer. This on this listens to the life cycle event, like life cycle event on resume. It will be on resume. Life cycle event observer. Event is equal to on resume as permission, as usage access, but it has no, they don't have any context. Okay, then we need a observer. Let's just remove it and continue. We need a val observer, which will be life cycle observer, life cycle event observer. We have a life cycle event observer. And the second thing that we need, underscore event, and for the event, if event equal to life cycle dot on res event dot on event. It's okay. No, it will be double equals to, yeah. And then the event will be on resume. If the event is resume, then we have has permission. Has permission equal to has usage access context. We can do it later, and then we need to clean it up with the on effect. On dispose, let's just create lifecycle owner. Lifecycle add observer. We have our observer on dispose. We have a lifecycle owner dot lifecycle dot remove observer. Both observers are ready now. The cleanup and the setup work. Hmm. Access. Hmm. Just stats. We have a usage stats. Function UI. We need a new folder, new folder, new folder, new package, which will be data. Oops. Refactor. Rename it will be data. Then we have a new file, usage stats helper. Usage stat helper. Then we have this new function has usage as usage usage access class. Boolean. We have a usage access. Ops context.get system service. Let's just copy paste. App ops service expected app ops manager. App ops manager. I guess it's going to work. We have main activity users. In UI on a screen, we have setting has usable access and text. We can just import. Does it work? Nope. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That's not how you work. Import dot core dot. What was it? Has usage access. It's okay. I guess everything is correct now. It's going to work. Let's check. You go to setting. Something wrong. I guess my emulator device is not working. Yeah, it's my device. Not my fault. Close. I hope that's not some kind of code issue. No. Grant permission. Apex app control. Permit. Now let's go back. Allowed. It's working. It's working fine. It's working fine. Successful usage stack permission granted. Now, can we just try to understand what exactly happens? First, I'm going to refactor it. Refactor, rename, setting screen .kt. Hmm. So the next step is to get the data. To get the data and show that data on this screen. And for that, we have home screen. We have these cards, and I don't want to show that. Let's just comment for now. App data like YouTube. Do we have YouTube on this mobile? Get user start. User starts helper. We need a new function which will one get usage start context. Yeah, manage.query user starts. Tool daily. Not this. Com google.android.youtube. This will be the one. We try. Come on, do something. Okay, let's just continue with the app. I'm going to do the rest of the thing with my own phone and get app name plus I can convert time. Okay, we have multiple functions. Stats, usage stats, manager. Tech user return to app, recheck permission. Attach listener observer. Okay, observer was the listener. Screen is gone. Side effect with cleanup. Remember, only stores value. Changes launching. Usually event. Possible event runs when composable enters. Let you attach listeners. Let you clean it up. Listener lifecycle event on resume. Is watching app. On stop. Hmm. Trigger multiple time memory leak, weird bugs. Now get usage stats. Now we need usage stats. We need to get YouTube usage. Okay, I will copy paste this one. Variable it. Get usage stats. Now we have usage stat. No, 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 no. Text. Now we have get usage stats and get YouTube usage. it.package name. If you get YouTube usage on home screen, then what we are going to print? Now we need a launch effect on home screen now. This will be the launch effect. Let's just go, let's try this. Double context. It will state of remember. We have modifier. We have alignment. We have a modifier. Is it right then? What's wrong? Okay. It will be random foundation. The state of remember. No. We just remove it. There are more things. The UI things. So we are going to make it star. Most of the things are working. Format time. My bad. Library dependency, yes. Then we need a user stat helper. We also need a one time format time that will be ms. These will be the milliseconds, and after that oops. Code is running. 12 minutes, we can have it. Okay. We have this. Downloading. I guess main activity. Will it work? Home screen. Let's remove this. We have text. Import. Format time. Show index section. Import format time. Import. We're not using these. We can remove. And remove it also. Remove this empty line. Now we can try recompiling. Oh, Hey, where's my app? Where is my app? No, no, this is not my app. Kotlin unit 45, 45, 45. Okay, we have this if return type mismatch, return type mismatch. I guess return type will be the string, but straddle, where is it? Where is this getting used? What is the format time? YouTube. Sit. Well, time. What this time? Now, why? It is some kind of wrong method, wrong syntax. We have this return type mismatch. Type mismatch, then we can something like this. Hmm. Return type is string, but expected unit. I'm not going to give any unit. I'm going to return a string then. String. I guess it's going to work now. Now we are returning string. Build successful. But there's nothing on the home screen, which is weird. It should not be. We have this YouTube used. We have launch effect. Uses stat permission granted. Something is not right. And I don't know what is this. This is text. Nothing on main screen. Why? Mm, okay. I hope it's going to work now. Let's just retry. We have usage text. Yeah. Now let's change it back. Okay, that's great. It's 0 minute. It's working. That means, is it really working? Only way to check is we need to use YouTube for 1 minute at least. Well, it's not working properly. Seven. Okay, the better idea is to use it on my Android device. I will just use my Android device. It's going to use Play Store, I guess. I don't want to. I will use my Android device now. The developer setting. USB debugging, install via YouTube, install via USB. Okay, I'm going to install on this phone. Where is the device? Let's power it off. Mm, mm, mm. Still not showing anything. Medium phone Pixel 9a. Where is Xiaomi? Oh, wait. I was using wrong cable. My bad. Okay, so there's my phone. Let's just try to install. So let's install. installing, working. No YouTube usage found. That's because I have not given the permission right now. Apex app control. Yes, I'm aware. Okay, look, now I can watch how for how long I've used my YouTube. It's showing 21 minutes. So it's working. That's good, that's good, that's good. Now I need to add one thing that I can select apps for which I want to monitor, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You just add permission granted. Let's restart app. It's working good. So the next step will be to build a better UI for my applications, and for that I need app icon and app name, and I already have time. Only app name and time and icon. Three things. Only three things. I need to go back. Remove this. Let's just keep my lazy column. We have our lazy column. No, we have launch effect. YouTube, get YouTube usage. Is there any way to get all the apps users? I guess yes, we have, because we are selecting manually selecting one of those applications. It's on usage stats. It will be package name. Can I list all the package name? Package name stats. We have stats. Where's the stat? Get usage stats. Stats. Let's just try to print all those stats. If I can do that only. We are going to print usage stats. Get YouTube usage now. Helper. Get usage stats. on screen. Can we do this? Can we do this? Is it stats, context, context? Now the foreign candidate is applicable. That's because we cannot write it here. Let's get it into a well. Is it stats? Can I traverse each? Kotlin for each Kotlin. That's usage stats and each unresolved reference. Why? Seriously? For each that's dot for each I hope it may work. It may work. It may not work. I'm not sure. Let's just hope. Is something wrong? Is something wrong? No, 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 no. App is just getting installed. But it's taking a lot more time. Okay, then I'm going to use my mobile device again. We can just pause it, leave it. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's loading. It's loading. We got all those packages, but they are overlapping, all of them. So we need column. PC caches are overlapping. Column, how to list them in column. Okay, we just add column, and it's done. Simple, simple, simple. Okay, let's restart. Now I'm going to show you all those packages. It's starting. Okay, look, all those apps. Now it's not scrolling. We need to add scroll effect. But we have all the application that are installed on my Android device is listed here now. I can get data for any of the on any of that application. And I guess this was the thing that I wanted. That's good. That's good. Mm, okay, we need one more navigation. Do we need it? home screen. We can monitor all our application. I guess we can give a plus button in between. That would be much helpful. Navigation bar, navigation item, one more navigation item. Navigation item that will be selected. Entry equal to add up. Then we have on click. The controller to navigate to add app. After that, we have icon, add app, text action, we have icon, controller, navigation bar, item. Now it's all good, on click, nav controller. Something messed up. Now we have it. Second step is to composable route scaffold. Bottom bar, we have add app, and for that we have add app screen. Now we are going to add a new screen, new screen, add app screen. We have a composable composable one, add app screen. We are going to list all those applications here on this screen, and we are going to have a tick button. Will it be tick button? No, I'm just going to give it a border. I guess this much is enough for today. So for the add app screen, I'm going to continue this tomorrow, but before that I'm going to recompile my code. Oops, there is some issue. Screen, now it's okay. Look at this, we have this add app. I hope it's visible on the screen. Now we can add applications. So this will be the screen where all the applications that my application can fetch will be shown in a column, and we can select all those applications that we need on the home screen. So for today, that's it. See you tomorrow. Bye.